All right, y'all. Welcome back to another trade recap. Today is Friday, May 29th, and as you see by title, yes, I caught a W. Now, listen, this before I even get into this recap, today I should not have even got a winning day. Like, not even trolling. Today I should have blew my accounts. I should have been like, it should have been over. Like, you know what I'm saying? I should have lost today because I originally did take a loss, right? And I'm gonna go ahead and get into that, but this trade, like, even though the title says I won money, like I won today, bruh, I didn't win today. I got lucky. That's what I got. Now I'm transparent as fuck, so I don't care. I'm still gonna come out and show y'all what I took, because and even like the trade that made me back my money, because I don't give a fuck. Like, I'm transparent. I'm gonna show y'all the real. I'm gonna show y'all, how I lose, how I win every time. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all everything because I'm transparent. I don't give a fuck. I'll show y'all my progress. I don't care. I know even I break my rules, I'm still gonna show y'all because at the end of the day, I come on here to document my process and show you it's not all sunshine and rainbows, being disciplined, getting payouts. No, I'm gonna show y'all the real. If I'm breaking my rules, if I'm trading again after a loss, if I'm doing this, I'm gonna show y'all. The fuck, I got nothing to be scared of. I'm gonna show y'all because at the end of the day, I'm gonna be transparent. And when I make it, and whenever I'm, a popular, I guess trader in this space, I'm gonna have all the stuff that all the trades that I've taken. It's all gonna be documented because I'm not scared to show the real what real trading is, right? But I just want to put that disclaimer out there. And let's just go ahead and get to the first trade that I actually lost. That really should have been a losing day. So today, I was I was bearish. I was bearish simply because we had all draws lower. Like, we had no draws higher. All draws lower. You see London low, Asia low, and then I think previous day low, which was, if I'm not mistaken, this low right here. Sorry guys, I'm drinking a energy drink, so that's why I keep burping. But yeah, I was bearish. But at open, at open, all we did was right at 9 o'clock, 9:30 right here. We pushed up slowly. And if y'all follow me on TikTok, y'all see like around 10, right at 10 o'clock, like a couple minutes before 10 o'clock, I got off. So I got off the charts. I'm like, fuck this. I'm going to sleep. I'm not gonna even waste my time trading this. We're just pushing up, draws are lower, and we just keep slowly pushing up. So I'm off, right? I'm off. Well, I get off. 20, 30 minutes pass by, and I think we're right. Let me see. We had made a 15-minute. We're trading inside this 15-minute right here, right? So I'm gonna do bar replay so I can see what I'm looking at. So we're trading inside this 15-minute right here, right? Okay. So by this time, I'm still off, right? I'm still off. I'm going to get to where I actually take my trade, okay? I'm still off right here. I'm still off. Still off. And then I think right here is whenever I check, yeah, right here is when I check the charts. Boom. I see this 2-minute inversion right here. Clean, right? Clean 2-minute inversion. And this is what I took, right? Took this, right? We had an unfilled 5 up here. This is going to be my TP because I didn't want to hold to the top. I was like, let's get my bread and get out. All right, 2-minute inversion, okay? Skip. Boom. Right, break even, as y'all know, these swing highs right here, okay? Okay, tap this 2-minute, we push up, and I low-key could have went break even here at this gap, but I was like, we already tapped this gap twice, plus we have equal highs up here. I'm like, I'll just go break even there, and then from there, write it out into this unfilled 5-minute, right? So that didn't happen. We ended up getting stopped out immediately, right? So boom, I got stopped out, and now listen, guys, I got stopped out here, and if I had literally $150 left, $150 left on these accounts. So I'm like, fuck it, you know what I'm saying? I'm like, bro, these accounts are cooked. I'm gonna buy new accounts anyways. Bro, all I did was enter short. Literally, all I did was enter short. Enter short right here. Right now, when I got stopped out, I waited like another minute, went back to my room, and I think my entry was at 67. I remember, if I'm not mistaken, it was 67. So I got in at somewhere around when they were dumping right here. It was like, I think right when this candle closed or something. I don't remember. I just know it was 67, and I just got in short because I'm like, fuck it. This didn't work. We're gonna keep going lower. At least that's what I thought at the time. I'm just gonna go short. If I get stopped, oh well. I only had $150 left. What am I gonna do with the $150 left? I was also risking 11 micros, right? So I'm like, what am I gonna do with 150, right? I'm like, fuck it. I'm just gonna go short. Oh well, right? Went short, and bro, literally no bullshit. I was holding short, holding till London. That's what I was doing, holding till London. This was my entry right here. Holding till London, I'm like, fuck it. I don't. Oh well. If I get stopped, oh well. 150, right? And bro, I got lucky. I got so lucky by the trading gods, and went straight to TP. Literally, we came up. I don't know which candle I got in on because I know I got in at 67 and I didn't get stopped. I promise you. I swear. And if you don't believe me, I'll actually show y'all first. I go to my trade of 8. You see, these accounts are still here. See, I'm at 50,000. I only made 900 today, right? And guys, I'm telling y'all, like, I put this on everything I love. Guys, this first long I took, I got stopped, and this was a short I took. I'm not trolling at all. I'm literally not trolling. Y'all see, I'm up 900 on these accounts. I'm back to break even, like, on these accounts. I literally have 150 left. I think I made a total of like 1,800. $1,900 on like for like total, but it's only showing I made 900 because I lost earlier $900, right, from that 2 minute inversion I took. But literally, I got in no drawdown. I don't remember if it was this candle. I just got in at 67. That's all I remember. 67, I got in, and we literally ran from there. And I'll show y'all. Boom, and then we just run. It never came back up. Ran, and then once ES took out London on this side, I got out. I was like, fuck it, we have SMT, and good thing I got out because after that we pumped, right? So yeah, that was a trade I took. I mean, this shouldn't even been a winning day, like I said from the beginning of the video. This should not have been a winning day. Um, it should have been a loss. But I was like, fuck it, I'm getting new evals. These are evals. I'm about to get new ones. Fuck it, I'm just gonna go short. I don't care. And I guess it played out. I guess. Thank you, Lord. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I mean, I guess and I don't have to buy new accounts. I mean, I'm just back at break even for these accounts. So I guess we'll go back next week refreshed and ready to go. So yeah, guys. I mean, that's pretty much the trade. But what I do want to say is I want to go over the loss I took earlier because, like I said, bro, I don't know why I keep like y'all been seeing my past recaps, and I said if there's no draw, why do I keep what I'm saying? And I did the same thing again today. It's just I saw this 15 minute was holding right here. 15 minute was holding, okay, and I saw a clean displacement, 2 minute inversion, and I got in. But like I said, guys, I need to stop doing that, bro. Like when we have no draw higher, there's literally no draw higher. We only had London. I should have just been focusing on shorts, guys, or I should not even taken a trade today at all. You know what I'm saying? At all. Yeah, this was a winning day, but this should not have been a winning day. Winning day. This was not a good winning day at all. I should have just got off. I should have only just targeted shorts. Like I gotta find a way to drill in my head to only take a trade if there's a draw, like a prominent draw. Like as y'all see, London was a prominent draw, Asia, and it worked, right? Even though I just took a bullshit trade, it still worked. I need to start doing that, just drilling it in my head. Before I was, and I don't know what the fuck switched. I guess because we're at all time highs now. But I don't know what switched, but now I have not been doing that. So I need to get back in my head and drill. Like, bro, if there's a draw, only take it with the draw, right? But yeah, I mean, today was a roller coaster. I got off the charts, got back on, took a bullshit trade, ended up winning. It was just a roller coaster of events, a crazy way to end the week. I'm glad that shit's over because I feel like my mental is just drained from just today, bro. So, yeah, guys, that's pretty much all I got for this video. Like I said, well, one thing I can learn from this is just I need to start drilling in my head to only take a trade when there is a prominent low. So, London, Asia, previous day low, those type of lows, I need to only take a trade like that. Because when I do, it works, right? And even though, like I said, I know I keep repeating it, this trade was a bullshit trade. Like I said, I know I made money today. This shit was bullshit. I promise you, this shit was bullshit. I need to be more disciplined. But the main thing is I need to see the focus on only taking a trade when there's a valid draw. That's it. That's the end of story. That's all I need to do. But yeah, guys, I don't want to hold y'all for too long. That's pretty much all I got for this video. I know it's pretty lengthy. But yeah, it was just a roller coaster of emotions this day or today. And yeah, I'm glad it's over. I'm grateful I made money. Was it deserved? No, but I'll take it, right? I'll take it. Yeah, hopefully next week we get some better price action. I did see we do have news all week next week, every single day. So hopefully that looks pretty good. Price action hasn't been the best, but hopefully next week we can capitalize on these news and just, hopefully pass these evals and go crazy, right? But yeah, guys, that's all I got. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Make sure y'all go follow me on TikTok at Tone Trades. I do be more active on there. I have been active on there. I think yesterday I posted like 4 videos. Today I already posted 2. So yeah, guys, make sure y'all go follow me on there. I'm like stay being active. We're almost at 200 followers right now. We're at 185, so we're 15 off. So make sure y'all go follow me on there, please. I'll be extremely grateful for it. And I appreciate every single one of y'all tapping in. We're almost at 20 subscribers as well. We're steadily growing. We're not growing quick, but we're just keep building those blocks, right? So yeah, I appreciate every one of y'all support. I watching my videos, watching my TikToks, liking my videos. I appreciate y'all support. Let's just keep growing from here. And I promise y'all, next week I'm gonna be better. I promise y'all can hold me accountable for that. Next week I'm gonna be better. And yeah, guys, that's all I got. I'll see you on the next one.